Now, MPCC chairman of the Department of Sports, W. Rojit, has claimed that the Congress party is the only party that can understand the critical situation in Manipur, while criticizing the state government for relying heavily on the central government. He was speaking at the MPCC's signature campaign at Porompat Thawan Thabu Community Hall under Khetrigao Assembly constituency. The event was part of the nationwide campaign Vote Chor Gaddi Chor. Speaking further, Rojit highlighted that the Congress party handed over the sacred Kangla Fort to the people of Manipur after the British and Assam Rifles occupied it for many years. He also claimed that peace was restored in Manipur when Congress returned to power following the June 18, 2001 incident where the Manipur Legislative Assembly was burnt down during the BJP's rule at the center. Rojit continued to allege that the BJP government is taking credit for developmental works carried out by the Congress party and criticized the BJP government for neglecting its responsibilities despite the state being in turmoil for over 2 years. The event was also attended by MPCC President K. Meghachandra, AICC Manipur in charge Christopher Tilak and other Congress leaders.
Masaki daito masak khangdana koichen chelaga amadu pailani amadu taisanani tap chap masaki phire ko lojak ngamdaba sugumba sarkar se hojik suma koi khangde Manipur se makoi na maram oiraga hojik se mai chai ha sumoi khangde double engine sarkar ne hairiba central government de leiba BJP sarkar ka state government de leiba BJP sarkar se karimo makhat tani mani sui lade dikhari dongna ni laga center da sin to yu si se si mata yabiyo haidana nuti bhik bachat padawa center da sadiye double engine sarkar ne haijaba adugo congress padamni sarkar di center da BJP congress le ramado state congress sarkar le lingaida thaiman nangringaida center ne state di apa budimak bibiri ha mama ga mayam da oi ubigra pata cheni Narendra Modi ji India ke prime minister ana chor chokidar ha ramado jinga kwali ke latest ta vote chor ha ramado Chile BJP की leadership है नसीब बहुत लाख लोग तो होना लगा मसाला को प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने हाइजर रखा पर इंडिया को शासन तो होने हर एक सिंह है मम्मा इकाई खंड बगी शासन तो होने है नसीब यहाँ भी मांगते हैं इसी लोग तो चरण